All right, welcome back, boys and girls. My name is Denzel, and today I'm going to be showing you how to create five assets in Blender in less than 3 minutes. If this sounds interesting, guys, like this video, subscribe to this channel, and let's get into it. All right, now I know this sounds crazy, but today we are going to be making five different assets for interior renders in Blender in less than 3 minutes. Now, do drop a comment in the comment section below if you like this type of tutorials, quick tutorials like this, and I will try to make more of these. So, let's get into it. I'm going to be talking very slowly, but I still know that this is a really quick method to make interior assets in uh, less than half of the time it would take to make it individually. All right, so we're going to use an add-on. We're going to open our preferences, and we're going to activate an add-on that comes with Blender called Archimesh. I hope that's how you pronounce it, though. Archimesh, all right, or Archimesh, yeah. We activate that add-on, and then when we delete our default cube, we can hit Shift A to add a mesh, and in the mesh options we have Archimesh. All right, and now we have these different options to create different types of assets. All right, so I promised you five. Let's make five. So let's put 3 minutes on the clock, and let's begin. Let's delete the default cube, hold Shift A, add mesh, Archimesh, stairs. All right, now in this window here we could select the number of steps. Let's go with 10. Ooh, let's go with 10. Settings later on. All right, now let's add a room. All right, Archimesh room. Okay, this one will appear over in the properties window, so we can select the number of walls. I will use 2. We can select the length of wall number 1 and the length of wall number 2. All right, let's rotate this guy on the z-axis by 90. Click on enter, and let's play with these settings a bit. Okay, all right, apologies, the height. Okay, that seems good. Let's add a door. All right, Archimesh door. Okay, that seems good. Let's go into side view, zoom in real close, move these down. Okay, we can scale this down, move this out some. All right, we have a door. I'll scale this down a bit. All right, we have a door. Our all looks plain, so I'm gonna add a window. Let's click around here, Shift A, add a window. I'll use a panel window. Rotate it on the z-axis 90. Hold enter. Let's move it into position. Okay. All right. So about here would do. All right. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4 meshes in the scene, 4 different assets. Now let's go ahead and add some. Let's go ahead and add some curtains. All right. I will use blinds. I preferred these blinds. So let's rotate this on the z-axis by 90. Move this up some. All right. Now let's go into our front view. All right, that is snapped on. Let's move it out some. All right. Now we can change the angle. We could change the width. I believe this is the width, but I want to reduce the height here. Okay, so we can keep it to about there. All right, that is the door, the staircase, the room, the blinds, and the window. Five meshes, guys. So this is a very simple process. And if you have an interior scene and you just need to add some assets real quick, there are different options that you could play around with to achieve different results. All right, we have cabinets, we have shelves, we have roof. So play around with all these settings, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If you do like this type of tutorials, drop a comment in the comment section below. Like this video, and until next time, guys, peace. Well, we have come to the end of this tutorial, guys. I am very grateful. Thank you so much for watching. I never take your time for granted. I have linked my socials in the description. Follow me on Instagram at king_denzel.3d. Thank you for watching, guys. I'll see you next time.